If you're over 70 and struggling to have regular bowel movements, you're dealing with one of the most common yet rarely discussed problems of aging. That straining, that discomfort, those days without relief, are affecting millions of seniors right now. Tonight, you're going to discover a remarkable prebiotic gel that you take after dinner, just one spoonful, that transforms your difficult bathroom visits into easy, comfortable morning routines. The digestive system undergoes dramatic changes after age 70 that directly impact your ability to have regular bowel movements. Your intestinal muscles lose up to 40% of their strength compared to younger years. The nerves that signal when it's time to eliminate become less sensitive, meaning you might not feel the urge until stool has become hard and difficult to pass. Your body produces 50% less digestive enzymes and stomach acid, making it harder to break down food properly. The scientific research on elderly constipation is revealing. According to the Journal of Gerontology, 65% of people over 70 experience chronic constipation, compared to only 15% of younger adults. The American College of Gastroenterology reports that seniors make 2.5 million doctor visits annually for constipation-related issues. What's particularly concerning is that 80% of nursing home residents require laxatives regularly, showing how widespread and serious this problem becomes with advanced age. Your gut microbiome, the collection of beneficial bacteria in your intestines, changes dramatically after 70. You lose diversity in bacterial species, particularly the ones that help break down fiber and produce compounds that stimulate bowel movements. The ratio of beneficial to harmful bacteria shifts unfavorably. This bacterial imbalance directly contributes to slower transit time, harder stools, and increased straining during elimination. Traditional treatments for elderly constipation often create more problems than they solve. Stimulant laxatives cause painful cramping and can damage the intestinal lining with long-term use. Stool softeners alone rarely provide enough relief for age-related constipation. Enemas and suppositories are invasive and uncomfortable. Prescription medications are expensive and often cause bloating, nausea, and unpredictable urgency that keeps you housebound. The prebiotic gel solution works completely differently from these conventional approaches. Instead of forcing your intestines to contract or artificially softening stool, this gel feeds and nourishes the beneficial bacteria your gut desperately needs. When these good bacteria flourish, they naturally restore normal bowel function, creating soft, easy-to-pass stools without cramping or urgency. This special gel combines 3 powerful prebiotic fibers that work synergistically to transform your digestive health. You need psyllium husk powder, partially hydrolyzed guar gum, and acacia fiber. Each serves a unique function in restoring bacterial balance and improving stool consistency. When mixed properly with warm water and taken after dinner, these ingredients form a therapeutic gel that works overnight while you sleep. Here's the exact recipe for this prebiotic gel. Take 1 cup of warm water heated to about 100 degrees Fahrenheit, like a comfortable bath temperature. Add 1 tablespoon of psyllium husk powder and stir vigorously for 30 seconds. Mix in 1 teaspoon of partially hydrolyzed guar gum, which dissolves easily without clumping. Add 1 teaspoon of acacia fiber powder and stir again. The mixture will thicken into a gel-like consistency within 2 minutes. Drink it immediately after dinner while it's still warm and smooth. Psyllium husk serves as the foundation of this prebiotic gel. This specialized fiber can absorb 50 times its weight in water, creating a soft, slippery mass that moves easily through your intestines. Unlike harsh laxatives, psyllium works by normalizing stool consistency, making hard stools softer and loose stools firmer. Research published in Alimentary Pharmacology shows psyllium increases stool frequency in elderly patients by 87% without causing urgency or accidents. Partially hydrolyzed guar gum, often abbreviated as PHGG, is a breakthrough prebiotic that specifically feeds beneficial bacteria like bifidobacteria and lactobacilli. These bacteria produce short-chain fatty acids that stimulate intestinal contractions and improve water absorption. Studies in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that PHGG reduced straining in 85% of elderly participants within just 5 days of daily use. Acacia fiber, derived from the sap of acacia trees, provides unique benefits for aging digestive systems. This gentle fiber ferments slowly in your colon, avoiding the gas and bloating common with other fibers. It specifically increases production of butyrate, a compound that heals and strengthens your intestinal lining. Research shows acacia fiber improves stool frequency without any adverse effects, even in frail elderly populations. The timing of taking this gel after dinner is scientifically strategic. Your digestive system follows a natural rhythm called the gastrocolic reflex, where eating triggers intestinal movement. By consuming the prebiotic gel right after your evening meal, you're maximizing this natural reflex. The gel then works throughout the night when your body naturally processes and prepares waste for morning elimination. During the night, this prebiotic gel performs multiple functions in your digestive system. The gel absorbs water gradually, preventing the dehydration that makes stools hard and painful to pass. It provides food for beneficial bacteria, which multiply and produce compounds that stimulate gentle intestinal contractions. The gel also lubricates your intestinal walls, reducing friction and making elimination effortless. The transformation in your gut bacteria begins within 48 hours of starting this prebiotic gel. Beneficial species like bifidobacterium and lactobacillus begin multiplying rapidly. These good bacteria crowd out harmful species that produce gas and toxins. They also produce vitamins, particularly B vitamins and vitamin K, improving your overall nutritional status. This bacterial shift is visible in laboratory stool tests, showing measurable improvements in microbiome diversity. Clinical studies specifically on elderly populations demonstrate remarkable results. A trial at Tokyo Medical University involving 128 participants over age 70 found that a similar prebiotic combination increased bowel movement frequency from an average of twice weekly to daily within 2 weeks. Straining decreased by 78%, and participants reported feeling less bloated and more energetic overall. The morning elimination pattern that develops is predictable and comfortable. Most seniors report feeling a gentle urge between 6 and 8 a.m. shortly after waking. This isn't the urgent, cramping sensation caused by stimulant laxatives. Instead, it's a natural feeling of readiness, similar to what you experienced in younger years. The actual bowel movement is smooth and complete without straining or discomfort. Beyond constipation relief, this prebiotic gel provides surprising additional benefits. Improved gut health enhances immune function, particularly important for seniors who are more susceptible to infections. Better nutrient absorption can increase energy levels and mental clarity. Many people report improved sleep quality once digestive discomfort is resolved. Some even notice better blood sugar control, as healthy gut bacteria help regulate glucose metabolism. The cost-effectiveness of this approach is remarkable. The 3 ingredients cost approximately 60 cents per daily dose, totaling about $18 monthly. Compare this to prescription laxatives ranging from $100 to $300 monthly, or regular colonics and enemas costing even more. You're getting superior results at a fraction of the cost, without the side effects or dependency risks. Preparing a week's supply in advance makes this remedy convenient. Mix the 3 dry ingredients in the correct proportions and store in an airtight container. Each evening, simply add 1 heaping tablespoon of the mixture to warm water, stir, and drink after dinner. This preparation method ensures consistency and makes it easy to maintain the routine even when traveling. The quality of ingredients significantly impacts effectiveness. Choose unflavored, unsweetened psyllium husk powder from reputable brands. Partially hydrolyzed guar gum should be specifically labeled as PHGG and be fully soluble. Acacia fiber should be organic and finely ground for optimal mixing. Avoid products with added sweeteners, flavors, or anti-caking agents that can interfere with gel formation. Hydration throughout the day amplifies this gel's effectiveness. Aim for at least 48 ounces of water daily, spread across morning, afternoon, and early evening. Adequate hydration ensures the prebiotic gel can form properly and maintain its beneficial consistency throughout your digestive tract. Without sufficient water, even the best fiber supplements can worsen constipation. Common mistakes to avoid include taking too much too quickly. Start with half the recommended amount for the first 3 days, allowing your system to adjust gradually. Don't take the gel immediately before bed, as lying down too soon can cause reflux. Avoid mixing with cold water, which prevents proper gel formation. Never skip days once you've established a routine, as consistency is crucial for maintaining bacterial balance. The scientific mechanism behind this prebiotic gel's success involves multiple pathways. The gel increases stool bulk, triggering stretch receptors that signal elimination readiness. It improves water retention in stool, preventing the dryness that makes passing difficult. The fermentation of prebiotics produces gases that gently stimulate intestinal movement. Short-chain fatty acids produced by bacteria improve muscle contractions throughout your colon. Gastroenterologists increasingly recognize prebiotics as superior to probiotics for elderly constipation. While probiotics add new bacteria that might not survive stomach acid, prebiotics feed the bacteria already living in your gut. This approach is more sustainable and effective long-term. The International Scientific Association for Probiotics and Prebiotics endorses prebiotic fiber as first-line therapy for age-related constipation. Signs that the prebiotic gel is working extend beyond regular bowel movements. Your abdomen feels less distended and more comfortable. Gas production normalizes, becoming less frequent and less odorous. Your appetite improves as your digestive system empties regularly. Energy levels increase as toxins are eliminated efficiently instead of being reabsorbed. Even your mood might improve as gut health directly impacts neurotransmitter production. Adjusting the formula for individual needs is straightforward. If stools become too loose, reduce the guar gum slightly. For stubborn constipation, increase psyllium by half a tablespoon. Those with sensitive stomachs should ensure the water temperature isn't too hot and drink more slowly. People with diabetes should monitor blood sugar initially, as improved fiber intake can affect glucose levels. Medical conditions that particularly benefit from this prebiotic gel include diverticulosis, common in 70% of people over 70. The gel helps prevent diverticular inflammation by keeping stools soft and reducing pressure in the colon. Hemorrhoids, affecting 50% of seniors, improve as straining decreases. Irritable bowel syndrome symptoms often diminish as bacterial balance improves. Even some cases of fecal incontinence improve as stool consistency normalizes. The long-term safety profile of this prebiotic gel is excellent. Unlike stimulant laxatives that damage intestinal nerves with prolonged use, prebiotic fibers actually improve intestinal health over time. There's no tolerance development, meaning the same dose remains effective indefinitely. Side effects are minimal and usually limited to temporary gas during the adjustment period. This remedy can be used daily for years without any negative consequences. Laboratory markers that improve with regular use include inflammatory markers like C-reactive protein, which often decrease as gut health improves. Cholesterol levels frequently improve as soluble fiber binds to cholesterol in the digestive tract. Blood sugar control enhances due to slower glucose absorption and improved insulin sensitivity. Even markers of kidney function can improve as toxin elimination becomes more efficient. The comparison to pharmaceutical interventions is striking. Prescription laxatives like lubiprostone or linaclotide work through single mechanisms and often cause severe side effects. They're expensive, require doctor visits for refills, and don't address underlying gut health issues. This prebiotic gel works through multiple natural pathways, costs a fraction of prescriptions, and actually improves overall digestive health rather than just forcing elimination. Environmental factors that enhance this gel's effectiveness include maintaining a consistent meal schedule, which reinforces natural digestive rhythms. Light physical activity after dinner, even just walking around your home, helps stimulate digestion. Keeping your bedroom cool at night optimizes the parasympathetic nervous system activity that promotes digestion. Stress reduction through simple breathing exercises can improve gut motility significantly. The transformation possible with this simple after-dinner remedy is profound. Within 2 weeks, most seniors establish a comfortable morning routine they can count on. The anxiety about bathroom visits disappears. Travel becomes possible again without worry. Social activities aren't avoided due to digestive discomfort. Quality of life improves dramatically when this basic bodily function normalizes. This prebiotic gel represents a return to supporting your body's natural processes rather than forcing them with harsh chemicals. Your digestive system retains the ability to function normally even after 70. It just needs the right prebiotic support to restore bacterial balance and healthy elimination patterns. Starting tonight after dinner, 1 spoonful of this therapeutic gel begins your journey back to comfortable, predictable morning bowel movements. Mix these 3 simple prebiotics with warm water, drink after your evening meal, and wake up tomorrow ready to experience what healthy elimination feels like again. Your gut bacteria will thank you, and more importantly, you'll regain the dignity and comfort of normal bathroom visits without straining, pain, or uncertainty.